we have learned the different 4-digit numbers. This is a 4-digit number and we need to expand this number. Now, how do I expand this number, or what do I mean by expanding this number? Well, expansion of a number means writing the place values of the different digits of the number and then adding them. So, if I need to expand this number, I need to write the place values of the different digits of the number and then add them. Let us see how we can do that. So, this is a 4-digit number. This is ones place. This is tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Now, for expanding, I first need to find the place values of the different digits. So, I can start either from the right or from the left. Let me start from the left. What is the place value of 7? 7 is in the thousands place. So, the place value of 7 will be 7 into 1000. 6 is in the hundreds place. So, the place value of 6 will be 6 into 100. 8 is in the tens place. So, the place value of 8 will be 8 into 10. And 3 is in the ones place. So, the place value of 3 will be 3 into 1. So, now what are the place values? The place value of 7 is 7 into 1000, that is 7000. The place value of 6 is 6 into 100, that is 600. The place value of 8 is 8 into 10, that is 80. And the place value of 3 is 3 into 1, that is 3. So, what I have done? I have written the place values of different digits. There are 4 digits. I have written the place values of all 4 digits. These are the place values of all 4 digits. And I have added them. So, I have added the place values of the 4 digits. And this is the expanded form of this number. So, for the number 7683 or 7683, this is the expanded form. That is 7000 plus 600 plus 80 plus 3. So, this is the expanded form of the number. And this is how you can expand any given 4-digit number. So, write the place values and add them. So, this is another 4-digit number. Now, how can I expand this number, or how can I write this number in the expanded form? So, this is the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Now, 1 is in the thousands place. So, the place value of 1 will be 1 into 1000, that is 1000. 9 is in the hundreds place. So, the place value of 9 will be 9 into 100, that is 900. And I need to add the different place values. So, I put an addition symbol. 8 is in the tens place. So, I need to add the place value of 8, that is 8 into 10, 80 plus the place value of 9, that is 9 into 1, 9. So, these are the different place values, that is the place values of different digits which are added, and this is the expanded form of the given number. This is the expanded form. So, note, we can also write it the other way around. It is all the same. So, I could also have written it as 9 plus 80 plus 900 plus 1000. Even this is right. So, we can write it in whichever manner we want. So we are just adding the place values of different digits. And if you add these, you will see that you actually get this number. Why are we doing it? We are actually breaking this given number into ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So just by looking at it, I can say there are 9 ones, 8 tens, 9 hundreds and 1000s in this number. So this is why we write a number in the expanded form. So now what will be the expanded form of this number? Well, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So 6 is in the thousands place. So the place value is 6 into 1000. That is 6000. 0 is in the hundreds place. So the place value will be 0 into 100. That is 0. 0 into anything is 0. 2 is in the tens place. So the place value will be 2 into 10. That is 20. And once again I have a 0 in the ones place. So the place value will be 0 into 1. That is 0. So this is the expanded form of this number. And now adding 0 means adding nothing. So I can just remove these zeros and write this as 6000 plus 20. So the expanded form of this 4-digit number can be written as this or as this. Both are correct. Now can you tell me what is the expanded form of this number? 3100. So once again, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So the place value of 3 is 3 into 1000, that is 3000. The place value of 1 is 1 into 100, that is 100. The place value of 0 is 0. 0 into anything is 0. Once again I have a 0 here. So the place value is 0. And I can write this as 3000 plus 100. So whenever I have zeros, I can just skip writing those zeros. Now, what if we want to do the other way around? So this is the expanded form of a number. And I want to find the number from this. So how do I find the number? It is 9000 plus 100 plus 80 plus 5. Now, because plus is given, I can simply add these numbers and get the original number. That is, get the simplified form of the number. Because we have already seen that if we add them, we can get the simplified form of the number. So I can simply add these. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is again 0, and 0 plus 5 is 5. Again 0 plus 8 is 8. 0 plus 1 is 1. And I have a 9 here. So this is the original number. That is the number whose expanded form is this. So 9185 has expanded form as this. But even without adding, we can get this number. How? So I have 9180 and 5. So 9000 means there are 9 thousands. So 9 is in the thousands place. Now next I have 100. So 1 is in the hundreds place. Now I have 80. That is 8 tens. So 8 is there in the tens place. And I have 5. That means 5 ones. So 5 is there in the ones place. So even without adding, simply by looking at the expanded form, I can get the number 9185. Now what about this number? So can you find the number from this expanded form? Let us see. So I have 2000. That means there are 2 thousands. So thousands place has the digit 2. 50. So 5 tens. So tens place has the digit 5. See, I have not written tens place immediately after thousands place because I know that there is a hundreds place in between. So in between thousands and tens place, there is a hundreds place and we have a 1. That means 1 ones. So 1 is there in the ones place. Now what about the hundreds place? It is blank. So if it is blank, I need to write a 0 here. It is 2051 because there are 0 hundreds. No hundreds means 0 hundreds. So 0 is there in the hundreds place. So the number is 2051. 2051 is the number. Now what is the simplified form of this number? So I have 7000. That means the thousands place has 7. 400. So the hundreds place has 4 plus 1. That means there is just 1 ones. So in the ones place I have 1. And once again I have left a space for the tens place. But there is no tens. So no tens means 0 tens. So because it is blank, I write a 0 here. So the number is 7401. What about the simplified form of this number? So now 8000 means 8 is there in the thousands place. Now after thousands there is a hundreds place which I leave blank because there are no hundreds. So I can write a 0 here. Then I check for tens. There are no tens. So I write a 0 here and 4. That means 4 ones. So I can simply write a 4 here. So the simplified form is 8004. So this is how, given any 4-digit number, you can write the expanded form of the number, or if the expanded form of the number is given, you can write the number, the 4-digit number from that. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.